Hey everyone, in case you didn't know, there is a pandemic going on. COVID-19, also known as the coronavirus, it's going around, it's freaking everyone out, it's freaking me out, a little anxious, it's raining outside in LA, the world is over. Just kidding, everything's gonna be fine. But I wanted to come out with some videos that are gonna help us all get through this pandemic together because this shit's scary. So, one thing that we all need to make sure we're doing is wash our hands thoroughly. We've all been doing that, I think. But you know what? You know what's not being washed? Our phones. Yeah, we're all about washing our hands, but then you go to Trader Joe's and you're gonna pick up the cereal and then you pick up your phone and then you put it in your pocket and then you wash your hands and you're like, I'm good. Take out your phone, put it to your face, talking to your mom, and then it's everywhere. Germs are everywhere.
You're nasty. You're nasty. Little nasty.
Thanks, Raven. So I've done some research and here's what I found. A toilet seat has 1,200 bacteria per square inch. A kitchen counter has 1,736. A pet food dish has 2,110. A doorknob, you know that's gotta be dirty. A doorknob has 8,600. But you know what? Your phone has 25,000 bacteria on it. That is gross. That's why I made this video. I'm gonna tell you different ways to clean your phone. All right, here we go. So the first tech tip, which is actually super high tech and I'm really excited about it and I wanna get one myself, are these UV sanitizers. So there's one called Phone Soap UVC sanitizer. And basically what you do is you can put your phone inside of that and it will charge it. And it takes about 10 minutes, but it will use UV rays to clean your phone. They say that this kills 99.99% of germs, but I do know that it's not necessarily proven to kill the coronavirus. I don't think they've tested for that, but I think that, you know what, while we're on this like germaphobe moment, I don't know, why not get a UV ray sanitizer and clean your phones? The nasty. Second way to do it is a DIY way to do it. And this is something that anyone can do if you have 70% isopropyl alcohol. I think I'm saying that correctly. Basically, rubbing alcohol. You have to mix 60% rubbing alcohol with 40% water. Nope, that's wrong. You gotta mix 40% isopropyl alcohol with 60% water. Make sure that's what you do. So you mix those together. I actually went to CVS to go get some and they are completely sold out. So I don't have any to show you. You're gonna put those together and then you can dip any microcloth. I think I actually have one of those. I do, it's just not easily accessible at the moment. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get that, you're gonna mix those two together and then you're gonna use one of those microcloths. Basically, you don't want anything with lint and you can rub it all over your phone. Just make sure you don't hit any of like the porous areas, those holes or the charging port or speakers. Try to go around that. And then the last way, Apple just updated their guidelines for how to clean your phone. You can use 70% isopropyl alcohol wipe or a Clorox wipe. AT&T basically says the same thing, but by spraying it onto a cloth, and Samsung hasn't said anything. And again, don't do it over the speakers and the charging port, and also that ear part where you listen to, it's also a speaker. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys found that helpful. If you did, why don't you give it a like right down there. And for more COVID-19 content coming your way, hit that subscribe button right down there, click that bell for alerts. I'm gonna tell you the best tech to have on you to get through this pandemic, especially if you're quarantined. So I hope you're not. And I definitely am not, but I'm under like super self-quarantine where like I just am not gonna leave my house. No reason to. That means I will be making lots of videos from right here. So stay tuned for that. I'm Justin, and I'll tech you later. Stay safe.